my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this, the Jojo Siwa Slime Kit. It comes with everything you need to make super cute slimes. And you can make fluffy slime, rainbow slime, and glitter slime, both sparkles, and giggly. I think giggly was actually supposed to be like jiggly or water slime, but yeah, and it looks super cool. Our shoutouts today are, before we start this video, I want to tell you guys that I'm only going to be able to post once a week from now on because my school is starting. So let's get started. The first slime I'm going to make is the clear glitter slime. I forgot to mention that it comes with a little measuring cup to know how much you're going to need. First, we're going to put 15 millimeters of clear glue into our little measuring cup. This glue is so good. And we're going to put it into our bowl. Make sure to scrape off all of your glue from this cup. And now we're going to put 20 millimeters of water. Now we're just going to put 20 millimeters of water into our bowl. And make sure to mix everything before you add in your activator. So we're just going to mix that in. Make sure to mix it very well so everything can go together. Now for the glitter slime, it says to add in your glitter. So for this one, I'm going to add some pink glitter. I'm going to add about half of this maybe. Half. Super. Pretty color. And mix everything together. It looks super nice right now. Looks super pretty. Next it says to add 5 millimeters of Slime Activator. You guys can just put about 5 millimeters in there first and slowly add it. Slowly add this into your slime until it gets clumpy, so just add a little bit at a time. It's already starting to form. So you can see, it's not taking a while of mixing. And just keep mixing until everything forms. And the slime is coming together super well. Once it starts sticking to itself, then it's turning into slime. Now, I think our slime is done. It's still a little bit sticky, so we're going to knead it. Super sticky, but it's really stretchy. I would recommend you guys use at least 5 millimeters of sediment, but don't put it all in at once, or else your slime. Anyways, guys, after a while of kneading, I finally got the perfect texture I wanted. It's super stretchy, very good at poking. Right now, my slime is glittery pink, but it's super foggy because of all the mixing. So after a few days, your clear slime will clear up if you leave it to sit. I would totally recommend this kit because it's so nice and it comes with everything you need to make super cute slime. Anyways, guys, now we are going to put our slime into our little bowl container, which is so cute. Next, I'm going to be making some fluffy slime. First, it says to add 20 millimeters of white glue into the measuring cup. And our 20 millimeters. I'm actually going to only add 15 millimeters only. That's just my preference, but you guys can put how much ever you want. Try to scoop everything out with your mixing stick. Next, once again, we're going to put in 20 millimeters of water, like so. Make sure to mix this really well, guys. Adding the water part, sounds like a jiggly slime, but I don't know. Now if you want, you can add in your add-ins. You can add anything you want. And I'm just going to be using this. I'm going to use my mini little spoon. And just mix all of your color into your slime. So after mixing everything in, you're just going to use your Slime Activator. And once again, you're going to put 5 millimeters into there. So make sure to add it slowly once again to make sure your slime comes out perfect. It's already starting to clump up. Wow, this one clumped up more quickly than the other one. Once it starts sticking to itself, you can get the slime off the stick and start kneading it with your hands. Now I'm finished with my slime. It's like so perfect. Super stretchy. You can stretch it all the way and it doesn't even rip at all. That's why I recommend you guys don't put all the 5 millimeters of activator all in at once, because that just makes the slime super rubbery and not that stretchy. Okay, so now we're going to put our slime into the other part of our bowl compartment, your container, and store it for later if it doesn't dry out. This is so cute. You can add 2 slimes in there, just close it off and play with it whenever you want. And you can definitely bring it anywhere, and it's super cute to bring around. Anyways, guys, that was all for our video today. I hope you enjoyed all of our slime that we made, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And yeah, I just hope it helped you to know if you want to buy this kit. And I would totally recommend it. It's very fun to play with, and it's at an affordable price. So, bye guys, have a great day.